The GoPro Hero 10 is the best GoPro release so far. It's been updated with some extremely cool features, which I'm looking forward to testing and sharing with you on this video. One of the main reasons you'd want a GoPro is to be able to get up close to the action. And to do that, you're going to need some accessories, which I'm going to run through later on in this video. And I'll also do some breakout videos on each one of these. I like to use GoPros for walkthrough videos, bike riding, hiking, and even here in the studio for top-down videos, mostly because the GoPro is compact and easy to use. It's super easy to mount, and paired up with the app, I can monitor the screen and control it even when it's mounted way out of reach. Now, up until now, I've been using my Hero 7, which was great, but the Hero 10 is going to be an awesome upgrade as it now shoots 5.3K video at 60p, which is an upgrade from 4K. It's got a 23 megapixel sensor for still photos and the faster processor, which is going to make it snappier and better to use all round. It's compatible with the MediaMod, which is really one of the main reasons I wanted this camera. And this allows you to have an external directional microphone, which is going to produce a more clear vocal. It's also got the ability to plug in an external mic if you have particular microphone preferences. And it's got HDMI out and USB-C. So this is a great add-on accessory. So without any further delay, let's go ahead and unbox the GoPro Hero 10 and take a look at what we get inside. Okay, so we get a USB-C cable, which obviously is going to come in handy for charging the battery and connecting the GoPro to your computer. We have a new generation GoPro battery. There's the GoPro itself. One of the things that I didn't mention earlier is, as well as the large display on the back of the GoPro, we have a smaller full color display at the front, which is great for monitoring your videos when you're taking selfies. So included in the box is this adhesive based mount, which is actually quite tactile and will adhere to most surfaces. But really, to get the most out of it, you're going to have to get some accessories, which we'll open up and check out later on. And then in addition to that, we get the GoPro manual, a couple of stickers. Of course, you're going to need some memory cards. It uses a micro SD card. I've got the SanDisk Extreme micro SD card, which has speeds of up to 100 megabits per second, which means that it's going to be capable of capturing 4K and 5K video seamlessly. I've got two 64 gigabyte cards, and they both have the micro to SD adapter cards as well. I've got the Handlebar Seatpost pole mount, and we're going to be using that for some of the demo footage. And this allows you to place the GoPro on the handlebars of a bike. So that's going to be really cool. I've got the 3-way 2.0 tripod grip arm, and this allows you to use the GoPro as a selfie stick and also a tripod. So that's a really versatile all-in-one selfie stick that you can use for so many different applications. I've got the Zeus Mini, and this is a magnetic swivel clip light. So this is awesome for low light situations. We've got the handler, which is really useful when you're submerging the GoPro underwater, because the handle itself has a certain amount of buoyancy, which helps prevent your GoPro from sinking, and it's really easy to handle, and it has this carry strap so you can have it on your arm at all times. And finally, the MediaMod, which allows you to get better audio out of your GoPro. And this is a full case, a housing with attachments and built-in microphone, and we're going to check that out shortly. sample of the GoPro Hero 10 mounted onto the dashboard. In front of me, it's about 80 centimeters away. This is what it looks like in a car interior and what it sounds like. Obviously, for car reviewers, you'd be using a lav microphone to get better audio. But if by chance you had to rely on the backup audio, this is what it would sound like. And here's one final example of the GoPro Hero 10 mounted in the same position, and I've now put it into the MediaMod cage, which has a built-in directional microphone, and this will give you a sample of the audio from the MediaMod.